Hi, I am Jeroen. A bit more than a year ago, I knew little about data analytics. Fast forward to today, and I'm helping people on a daily basis to get more out of their data using tools like SQL and mostly Power BI, which I learned on the Maven platform. About a year ago, I came for the first time across Maven Analytics on LinkedIn when I saw the Queen's Gambit Data Challenge. I remember looking at all the entries, and it really blew my mind that this was all possible. From that point, I decided I needed to know more about data analytics. The first step that I took is that I decided I wanted to learn how to use Power BI in my current job. So that's when I started competing in the Maven Challenges and watching some YouTube videos on how to make things work in Power BI. And it made me even more enthusiastic. From that point, I decided I needed to follow a more structured course to learn the fundamentals, and that's how I started to learn on the Maven platform. The Maven Challenges helped me a lot on my journey. The Jordan versus LeBron challenge, for example, actually landed me my current job. By just putting my dashboard out there in the open on LinkedIn, I got a message from an old colleague. I came by to drink a cup of coffee, and a month later I started working at his company. My favorite part about Maven Analytics are actually two things. One is to be part of this community. I get to know a lot of data professionals with who I chat on a regular basis to help each other out with the problems that we run into during our job. And second are the courses. The courses are high quality, they are structured really well, and the instructors explain everything crystal clear, which makes it really easy to follow along and understand. If I have to give one piece of advice, is that these days I see a lot of people talking about the skills that they have in tools like Power BI or SQL or Tableau. But I think the most important thing for an analyst is to be able to listen to the client and understand the challenges and problems that they are facing. If you're able to think like an analyst and then stack some skills in BI tools that you can use to support your work and your thinking, you're probably better than 90% of the professionals out there. I think that is way more important than just to be fluent in a BI tool.